Hi students, we have already started Unit 2 of Lesson 7 Mowgli Amongst the Wolves, and last day we read that how beautifully and courageously Father Wolf and Mother Wolf defended the human cub, means the little baby, and Mother Wolf very courageously faced Sher Khan the tiger. Even she forced Sher Khan to go back from their caves. So in this way, she protected the little baby. So let's see what would happen. Sher Khan speaks this much truth, said Father Wolf. The cub must be shown to the pack. Will you still keep him? Actually, while leaving the ground, means while the Sher Khan left that place, he was not so happily left that place. Rather, he had to leave that he had to leave that place out of compulsion, as he was injured, and that was not his own ground. As he that time he was not possible to fight with Mother Wolf. That's why he left that place. But it doesn't mean that he would leave the child. His attitude showed that he would take another attempt and would hunt this human child. So the baby yet was not out of danger. So the father wolf suggested Mother Wolf that the Sher Khan speaks this much truth. That is, the baby was not their own, and they was within danger in this forest. So that's why they had to show their child in their pack, means they had a particular group, the group of their own group of wolves. So they have to show the cub, means show the baby to the wolf to make future decision for this baby. Assuredly I will keep him, said Mother Wolf. But Mother Wolf loved that baby so much. Having the mind of a mother, she could not leave that baby in the danger. Okay, rather she wanted to keep this baby with them. So assuredly means surely, she means the Mother Wolf would keep the baby with her. Lie still, little frog. Oh, you, Mowgli, for Mowgli, the frog I will call you. The time will come when you will hunt Sher Khan as he has hunted you. So, here also the affection of a mother towards her child is shown. He so adorably with her affectionate tone said that lie still. Here lie stills mean the baby was so still, so quiet at that moment, and laid like a frog. Okay, so cute, so soft. That's why Mowgli, for Mowgli the frog. So to call there, he named the Mother Wolf named the cute baby Mowgli the frog. She compared him with a frog. I would call you So he gave him the beautiful name. She gave him the beautiful name Mowgli. Okay, so the name Mowgli, the very character, the prime character of the story, Mowgli was the name was given by Mother Wolf. The time will come when you will hunt Sher Khan as he has hunted you. So now you are so here also mother's spirit, mother's emotion is expressed. Our mother always expects better things, expects more courageous adventures for us. So here also she expect that as he is so little now, he was so little now, Sher Khan would hunt him, or Sher Khan wanted to hunt him. But when he would grow up, that was that would be his time. That would be the time of the baby when he would be a grown-up man. He would hunt Sher Khan. So here Mother Wolf was so optimistic about the child. Akela, the great grey lone wolf who led all the pack by strength and cunning, lay out at full length on his rock. So, a new character is introduced. Who is he? Akela. So, Akela was the leader of the pack of the wolves, where the father wolf and the mother wolf belonged. Okay, so here Akela, the great grey colored wolf, having such strength and cunning, means intelligence, to lead his pack. So here he was perfectly a leader of the wolves, having all the characteristics, having all the qualities to lead a pack. Okay, who speaks for this calf? So here the father wolf and mother wolf already had shown the child to the pack, and here is a voting. Okay, so Akela, being a leader, said that who speaks for this calf. So he wants a vote for this calf to keep him within this pack. Said Akela. Among the free people who speaks, there was no answer. So among the free people, here free people indicates the other wolves. Other here in this pack of wolves, the wolves led a free life, means they showed their views, opinion freely, express their opinion freely. They could lead their life with their own ways. So being a free people means they were free to give their vote for this child, but there was no answer. No one then said anything. So when no reply came from the pack, the mother wolf was getting tensed. Mother wolf got ready for what she knew would be her last fight if things came to fighting. So actually Mother Wolf was mentally already decided to keep the baby with them. So if no vote would no voting would be done in the pack for the baby, she even was ready to fight for him, and she also knew that it might be the last fight for her, because it was quite impossible for her to fight against all the wolves. But she could not give hope. She could not leave the child. She did not want to leave the child at all. So, for the sake of the baby, she would fight for the last. Okay, for fight to the last. Then the only other creature who is allowed at the pack council means that pack meeting rather, was Balu. Balu means the bear. He was not a wolf. He was the bear, and only within this pack only the bear was allowed to give vote. He rose upon his head and grunted. So his gesture indicated that he gave vote for the baby. Grunted here means he started to speak something in a low voice. I speak for the man's cub. Let him run with the pack and be entered with the others. I myself will teach him. So here you can see that Balu supported the cub. Balu supported the human child, and he also wanted to keep him within this pack. That's why he was saying that I speak for the man's cub. He gave vote for the man cub. Let him run. Let him be with this pack and be entered with the others. And he also wanted to have the humans with the other wolves. And I myself means here you have to know that Balu the bear actually was the teacher of the young wolves. So he also assured that he would teach this cub also. He would teach the human child like the others young wolves. We need it another, said Akela. So Akela, being a leader, he also announced that he needs another vote. One vote was given by Balu the bear, but he needed at least two votes. So one vote was given by the bear, but Balu, another vote he would still need. Balu has spoken, and he is our teacher for the young cubs. Who speaks besides Balu? So Akela also added that Balu, the teacher of the pack young cubs, voted means gave vote, supported the baby, supported the human cub, and he wanted another cub. So who wanted to give vote for the human cubs would raise their hand also. A black shadow dropped down into the circle. It was Bagheera, the Black Panther. Everyone knew Bagheera, and nobody dared to cross his path, for he was as cunning as a jackal, as bold as the buffalo, and as reckless as a wounded elephant. But he had a voice as soft as wild honey dripping from a character. So another strong character is introduced now, and he is Bagheera. And so when Akela announced and rather wanted another vote, then appeared the black shadow around the circles, means that's meeting spot. And here the character was Bagheera, the Black Panther. So Bagheera was a Black Panther, and everyone knew Bagheera, and nobody had so courage to fight, to cross means to fight with Bagheera, because he was so cunning, so intelligent like a jackal, and so bold, so so strong like a buffalo. Okay, and as reckless as a wounded elephant. Reckless means not to be controlled, okay, by anything. So whenever he was going to match, he was just reckless like a wounded elephant. Okay, so the character of Bagheera was so strong, and here within this pack there was none to fight, to speak against Bagheera for his bold character. But he had a voice, but quite opposite to his character. The his voice was so sweet, so gentle, like a wild honey dripping from a tree. So just imagine a wild honey from the beehive just was dripping one drop after one drop from the tree, and the sound was so gentle. So here the bold character Bagheera had such sweet and gentle sound, gentle voice. A, to kill a little cub is shame. Besides, he may make better sport for you when he is grown. Baloo has spoken on his behalf, said Bagheera. So here he showed rather a moral character. So that's why he said that to kill a little cub, the little cub was so little, so young. Okay, so it was just simple thing for them to leave this little cub, to leave this baby in the forest to die. Okay, so it's a simple thing for them. Besides, he may make better sport for you. Besides, except this reason, this might be a get sports means here get fun. So this is a new thing, new object for making fun for them, as there was no the previous time, if you see, there was no person like a little baby within this pack. So this is a new thing for them, so it would entertain also, them. So that's why he supported the baby. Baloo has spoken on his behalf, so already Baloo gave his vote for the baby, said Bagheera. So when Bagheera supported Baloo, or gave rather vote for the baby, then Akela, the leader of the pack of the wolves, added that men and their cubs are very wise. He may be a help in time. So as the humans are known to be intelligent one, so their cubs, I mean their baby also be a intelligent one. When they would grow up, they would help them. They might help them in time. In time means time of need. This was said by Akela. Truly, a help in time of need, for none can hope to lead the pack forever, said Bagheera. Bagheera also said that, of course, that was a true point, that the baby, when would grow up, would help the pack, and even he might lead the pack also due to his intelligence. And there would nobody, for none can hope to lead the pack forever. And it is quite natural that for Akela or other could not lead this pack forever, so they would need another leader in future, and proper leader in future in in time of need. Okay. Take him away, Akela said to Father Wolf, and train him as befits one of the free people. So now Akela, the leader of the pack, gave permission the Father Wolf to take the child with them, and he also said that to train the human cub, train the man's cub to be a fitted one. Befits means who would be fit with this pack, means the free peoples, means with this pack of wolves. And that is how Mowgli was entered into the Seoni wolf pack. So this is the story of Mowgli, how Mowgli was entered into the pack of the wolves. The Seoni wolf pack means the pack of wolves which lives in Seoni Hills. So this is the story of Mowgli's entering into the wolf's pack. How he entered and how then after the another life of Mowgli with this pack would begin. Okay, such a wonderful story it is. Hope you enjoy it a lot, and so read this whole text once again with more care. Okay.